Gloves, protecting your most valuable tools. Think about the work you do every day. How much of it relies on your hands? From handling tools and equipment to working with chemicals, your hands are involved in almost every task. And yet, hand injuries are some of the most common and most preventable workplace incidents. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential pieces of personal protective equipment: gloves. We're going to break down why they matter, what types are available, common mistakes to avoid, and how to choose the right glove for the job. Let's start with why gloves are so critical. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, more than 23% of workplace injuries involve the hands. Think about that. Nearly a quarter of all injuries could be prevented by simply wearing the right glove. But gloves aren't one size fits all. The wrong glove can be just as dangerous as no glove at all. So let's talk about the different types of gloves you might come across on the job. Leather gloves are your go-to for heavy work. Think construction, landscaping, and heavy equipment use. They protect against abrasions, cuts, and punctures, but they're not ideal for handling chemicals. For that, you'll need rubber or latex gloves. These are perfect for chemical handling, lab work, and cleaning tasks. Just keep in mind, they can degrade over time, so always inspect them before use. If you're dealing with sharp objects, cut-resistant gloves are a must. They're often made from materials like Kevlar or metal mesh and are designed to protect against serious lacerations when working with glass, sheet metal, or sharp tools. But if your job involves high heat, like welding or industrial baking, you'll need heat-resistant gloves. These are typically made from aluminized fabric or Kevlar to shield against burns. And let's not forget about electrical insulating gloves. These are rated by voltage protection and are essential for anyone working with live circuits. One slip could mean a life-changing injury. Finally, there are disposable gloves. They're lightweight and great for healthcare, food service, or lab work, but they're not built to handle heavy-duty tasks or sharp objects. Use them for light protection against contaminants, but don't expect them to hold up in tougher conditions. Now let's talk about some common mistakes people make when using gloves, because gloves are only as effective as how you use them. One of the biggest mistakes is choosing the wrong type of glove for the job. You wouldn't use leather gloves to handle chemicals, right? But people do it all the time. It's all about knowing the risks and choosing the right protection. Another common mistake? Poor fit. Gloves that are too loose can slip off or get caught in machinery, and gloves that are too tight can restrict movement and reduce dexterity. Proper fit isn't just about comfort, it's about safety. Then there's wear and tear. A glove with a small tear might seem harmless, but it can compromise the entire purpose of the PPE. Before each use, inspect your gloves. Look for cracks, tears, or thinning material. And if they're worn out, replace them. It's that simple. Storage matters too. Tossing gloves in a toolbox or leaving them exposed to sunlight can weaken the materials. So store them properly to extend their lifespan and maintain their protective qualities. Let's look at a real-world example. In 2021, a worker in a glass factory suffered a severe hand laceration while handling a sheet of glass without cut-resistant gloves. The cost? Multiple surgeries, weeks of missed work, and a permanent reduction in hand strength. The simple act of wearing the right gloves could have prevented it all. Now let's talk best practices. How do you choose the right gloves for the job? Start by assessing the task. Are you handling chemicals, sharp objects, or hot materials? Different tasks require different glove materials. Next, check the standards. Look for ANSI or EN ratings that indicate the level of protection against cuts, punctures, and heat, and always ensure a snug, secure fit. Gloves that are too loose can slip off, while gloves that are too tight can reduce circulation. Before each use, inspect your gloves. Look for any cracks, tears, or signs of wear. Just because a glove is in the toolbox doesn't mean it's in good shape. And remember, gloves have a lifespan. Chemicals can degrade them, cuts can compromise them, and repeated use can wear them down. Replace them when necessary. It's not just about following rules, it's about protecting your hands, your work, and your future. So take a look at the gloves you use every day. Are they the right type for the job? Are they in good condition? Are you using them correctly? If not, it's time to make a change. Because at Safety Smart HQ, we believe protecting your hands is about more than just PPE. It's about protecting your ability to work, to lift, to grip, to hold, to create. Your hands are one of your most valuable tools. Treat them that way. One job, one shift, one choice at a time. See you in the next video.